storm hit Lawrence, Kansas, causing extensive damage and leaving more than 16,000 residents without power. Wind gusts of up to 70 miles per hour downed numerous trees and power lines throughout the city, resulting in significant outages. According to Evergy, most customers have already had their power restored, but around 2,300 people were still waiting for service to be restored. To speed up repairs, about 1,100 Evergy employees are working to clear trees and repair the power grid, with support from 350 electricians from utilities in neighboring states such as Oklahoma, Arkansas, Illinois, and Iowa. The storm was especially intense near Lake Clinton, where high winds created a chaotic scene, lifting sand and gravel from baseball fields and causing panic during an evening softball game. The National Weather Service in Topeka reported wind gusts of up to 71 miles per hour at Lawrence Regional Airport, with some areas along I-70 experiencing winds of more than 90 miles per hour as the storm moved toward Missouri.